My arch enemy, Deceptor, is on the loose. He's trying to stop you and me from being dream makers in life. Deceptor wants us to use our superpowers for bad. He doesn't want us to reach our dreams and goals in life. That's why I need you to use your powers for good. Always make good choices. What I have in my hand is a baseball bat. It's a special bat. It's called the Dream Breaker bat. Every bad choice in the universe, it's inside this bat. I'm gonna take this bat, place it on my leg, and snap it in two. But before I do this, I'm gonna throw out the Omegaman Friends challenge. So if you're making any bad choices, small or big, let's stop being a dream breaker, a dream stealer. So my friends and I are challenging you to be dream makers, world changers, champions in life. I'm gonna take the Dream Breaker bat, snap it over my leg. So come on, help me out.
Omegaman, you can't do it. Just give up. You're not strong enough. You're gonna fail. You're not smart enough. You're not a true superhero.
Wow, that's a hard baseball bat. Maybe I'm not strong enough. Maybe I can't do it.
Omegaman, stop believing those lies from Assemblies. You can do it. You're not a failure.
Do you know it took Thomas Edison, who invented the light bulb, 1,000 tries to get it right? So it took 999 tries to finally get it right. Thomas Edison was basically saying, if you don't quit, it pays off. So Omegaman, don't give up.
Don't listen to them. They don't know what they're talking about. Listen to me.
Team, you're right. If I keep pushing and pressing and believing in myself, this baseball bat is gonna break. Because I know if I believe, I'll achieve. Deceptor, you're a dream breaker. So come on, kids, help out Omegaman. I did it, and you could do it too. And with that,
This is Omegaman, and have a superhero day.